Hello and welcome to the Adventure Toolkit example reel number 21. My name is Glenn Storm and I'm from Hot Iron Productions, and today we're going to go over changes and additions to version 1.4, beginning with the Music Manager. In the audio folder, the Music Trigger and Music Manager tools work together to crossfade music tracks. Unfortunately, it would allow you to trigger a duplicate music track, and the effect sounds rather strange. It would fade out the music while simultaneously fading in a restarted duplicate music track. And unfortunately, this case could happen if you are using, for example, a menu system with multiple scenes, and you go from the main menu scene that has music playing to a sub-menu scene, and back to the main menu scene where it again triggers the music. The fix is rather simple though. The Music Manager will now ignore duplicate music track triggers. Enough said. Version 1.4 also gives you a new tool. In the Event folder, there is a tool called the Cheat Manager. The Cheat Manager allows you to set up cheat codes to activate or deactivate or toggle objects based on a string of cheat code characters entered by your player. Let's take a look at that right now. In this scene, I've set up a cheat manager on this object here, and then I've set up a few other objects to represent objects that you would turn on or off in your trigger system that would allow your players to turn on or off functionality that they may want. So these objects are cheat object A, B, and C, and they're just representative for demonstration purposes. Let's take a look at the cheat manager properties. There's really just one array property called codes, and this would be the number of cheat codes that are available and what they can do. Let's take a look at each code. I've set up 3 for this purpose. The properties in each cheat code are cheat code. This is the string of alphanumeric characters to check. The manager will check for a completion of these characters. That means that the user is going to have to type each of these letters in order to complete the code. If they type something else at any time, then that will reset essentially the check, and it will have to be retyped in order to complete the code. Once it is completed, it's going to do something to an object, and the next property is object trigger. This is a reference to a game object that will be acted upon once the cheat code is detected. The next property is what to do with that object once the cheat code is detected, and that is cheat action. The cheat action gives you an option to activate or deactivate or toggle the object once the cheat code is detected. So for this example, I've got 3 cheat codes. One is called test, and one is called cheat, and one is called code. So I've set one to activate an object, one to deactivate an object, and one to toggle. Let's play this right now. I hit play, and then on my keyboard I type TEST. Cheat object A got turned on, and you can see that. If I type CHEAT, that deactivated cheat object B. And if I type CODE, this will toggle cheat object C. As the text indicates, this could be used for cheating, this could also be used for Easter eggs, or debugging is another good option for this. Now, before we conclude this video, I want to make sure that you're aware of the confusion that can happen when you have multiple cheat codes and the strings conflict. If they aren't totally unique, you could have some confusion in using these cheat codes. For example, let's say I have cheat code test and cheat code cheat and cheat code code, but I also have a new one called, let's say, cheater. Well, cheater includes the word cheat in it, and you can't actually type cheater without typing cheat. These would conflict. These are not unique. Cheater and cheat are two conflicting cheat codes. To help you manage this and avoid entering a cheat code in your manager that would conflict, the cheat manager will detect this upon start, and it will give you a warning message telling you which cheat codes will work and which will be ignored if this case comes up. But to avoid confusion entirely, simply make sure that your cheat codes are totally unique and they don't include words inside of each other. Okay, that is the cheat manager, and that is the addition for version 1.4, and that's all we have in this video. Please stay tuned for the next one.